Hello friends. I'm back with a new video where I want to show you a new technology, this little smart chip that will keep you safe. It might sound a bit ridiculous, but I'll show you what it can do right now. First of all, I'll tell you that it can be installed in the key of any car that has a keyless system. In my case, I'm going to install it in the key of my electric car BYD Auto 3. So, let's begin. We open the lid like this. Using our own metal key, carefully remove the circuit board, and here we have the battery compartment. Let's take out the battery and wrap around our smart keyless keeper. Batteries are included in the chip box, which are relatively thin. This is because when we wrap the chip around the battery, there will be no problems in returning it. It's ready. And now, let's see how it works. Make sure the doors are closed. Put the key still and wait 3 minutes. After that, the smart keyless keeper will automatically disable the keyless function, and the keyless system will be disabled and safe. Until you move the key even a little. A great recommendation from me to this invention. I advise everyone to buy and feel safe.